All right, so this is our course points breakdown. So based on all of those different types of assignments, I have that listed here in the table. On the left-hand side, we have type of assignment. So that's the lecture notes, the homework / in-class assignments, lab assignments, quizzes, the unit exams, and the end of semester quiz. You can see how many points each of those assignments are worth, each subunit. So the lecture notes are worth 10, so are the homework and the lab assignments. Quizzes are worth 20, unit exams are worth 100, and the end of semester quiz is worth 150. Then the number of those that we have in the class, so most of those things we have all 15 regular weeks of the semester, and then the total points per type. So if we look across, so for lecture notes, for example, each week you'll do 10 points, or lecture notes will be worth 10 points. And I say each week, and I hesitated there because it's actually 15 weeks and we have 16 weeks of the semester, but the last week's the final. So lecture notes, they're 10 points each. You have 15 weeks of assignments with lecture notes, and then that totals 150 points. So at the bottom there, then we can see the total points for the class is 1,400 points. On the right-hand side, there's the scale that determines grades. That gives you the different percentage breakdown and then the grade that's associated with the different percentages. So as I mentioned previously, I do not intend on giving any extra credit, with the exception of the My Mistakes discussion board. So if you end up at the end of the class with a 92.9%, you will be receiving an A-. That does not round up. The A starts at 93.0%. Likewise, if you're at an 86.9, that's a B, not a B+, etc. So please do pay attention to your grade throughout the entire semester. Make sure that you're on top of it. Make sure that you're doing your best work so that at the end you don't find yourself right at the edge there. Because even though it looks very close, like the 92.9% versus 93, for example, if you actually calculated that out, that's not just like missing a point or two here or there. It's really like missing an entire assignment. So even though they look very close, if you actually take that out of the 1,400 points for the semester, it's actually a relatively large chunk of points. So just make sure that you're doing your best throughout the semester so that you can make sure that you're solidly in the grade that you would like.